Welcome to VIETDUTCH own plywood production process. Overview about OEM plywood process. Step 1. Peeling.
Firstly, the logs run through this machine to remove branches and barks. This is called the barking phase, which purpose is to make the logs easier to be peeled. The logs after that be moved by a conveyor belt to the peeling machine.
This machine uses cutting knife to make the logs into core veneer. Step 2. Drying core veneer. Firstly, let core veneer dry naturally by the sun heat. And secondly, using heat from hot press machine to further dry the core veneer to achieve desirable moisture content. We dry no more than 5 layers per bundle to control moisture perfectly. Step 3. Core veneer grading. Core veneer after dry will be divided into different grades, according to the quality. Step 4. Core veneer composer. We will use glue string to connect a grade core together, making the outer layer of the core plywood.
Step 5. Glue spreading.
Core veneer will be run through this glue spreading machine. The glue type we use for OEM plywood is E1, MR, BWR glue.
Our workers ensure the glue to be spreaded evenly.
Step 6. Layering. After spreading glue, core veneer will be layering on a conveyor belt to make the core of plywood. The highest quality plies will be on top and bottom. Inside may be lower grade. In this process, workers use plastic nails to fix the core to avoid misalignment.
At the end of the conveyor belt be the cutting machine to cut the core into programmed length. The two width of the plywood are cut during this process.
Step 7. Cold press. Initial step to core veneer stick together by applying pressure. Step 8. Repair. Workers will check for misalignments and delamination, then fix it again and add glue. Step 9. Hot press. Using heat and pressure to activate the adhesive, making each layer stick together better. Step 10. Cutting.
Let the plywood run through a cutting machine to remove redundant portion. Since we already cut the width side, now only the length side being cut.
Step 11. Putty.
Putting mixture of stone powder and glue to fill gaps outside of the core. After that, sound check the core by hitting it with hammer to detect inside gaps. If inside gaps are detected, the core will be disqualified and get rid of.
Step 12. Calibration. Use machine to smoothen the face of the core plywood before applying more 2 layers top and bottom core veneer. Step 13. Add 2 layers top and bottom. After spreading glue, add the layers top and bottom to give core plywood a better texture, increase adhesion and stability. Step 14. Cold press. Cold press again to fix the core. Step 15. Repair. Workers will patch up any gaps that are displaced. Step 16. Hot press. Hot press so that top and bottom layers bond more tightly with the inner layers. Step 17. Putty. Put stone powder into the gaps of core plywood. Step 18. Calibration. Core plywood is smoothed before applying face and back veneer. Step 17. Applying face, back veneer. After spreading glue onto the core, workers apply face, back veneer.
These are the finest veneer that used to create a natural wood looking for plywood.
Step 20. Cold press. Cold pressing to fix the face veneer. Step 21. Hot press.
Hot press again for the face or back veneer to stick to the core.
Step 22. Cutting.
The face or back veneer redundant will be removed in this step.
Plywood are in the exact customer's required measurements. Step 23. Polishing.
Again, smoothen the face or back veneer for better and more appealing appearance.
Step 24. Inspection.
Apart from our inspection, workers also do check each plywood for obvious and big mistakes before bringing them to package.
Step 25. Packaging. We also do side paint if customers require. Worker will apply strap and cartons to stabilize and protect plywood. Now the plywood are ready to be shipped to our customers.